Our global business editor, Udayan Mukherjee, joining us now for his take on all the ongoings, whether it's rate hikes, inflation fears, the currency nosediving. Udayan, it's all been happening, but markets seem to be holding fort, at least for today.
Yeah, but I think it's very, very volatile for the market right now, but both globally and locally. But I think we are now flirting with a very important level on the Nifty, which is around that 15,700 mark, which was the previous low for the year. And I think from a technical perspective, a lot of people are watching that very closely, whether we sort of attempt a kind of a pullback, keeping that low in place, or we violate that and go down another 4-5% from here. So I think the next few days will be quite crucial. And I think the LIC listing will also play some role in sentiment in determining which of the two options or which of the two paths the market takes from here. But I think we are not out of the woods. Even if the market were to put in a temporary bottom here and rally, but which is not inconceivable, particularly because the global markets also look terribly oversold, the Nasdaq mostly. But so a rally is very possible, a pullback or a relief rally. But I think we are not quite out of the woods because of the very reasons that you mentioned. I think the RBI has clearly signaled aggression on the rate hike front, and part of that has been priced in, of course. But I think basically all investors are coming around to the view that growth will slow down now over the next few quarters as interest rates go higher. And that will be the route to taming this inflation beast. So global growth will falter, locally growth will come down, and that inevitably affects earnings growth as well. So we might start to see the beginning of the earnings drawdowns over the next couple of quarters as well. So things are not stacked up well for the market. I don't know how much downside there is. But hand on heart, I would say that the market probably still has downside from here. I don't know whether it's 15,000 or it's lower, but maybe a 5 to 10% kind of downside from here cannot be ruled out. But it's volatile, and we can't predict for sure whether the route to the lower level that I'm anticipating is a relief rally first and then another drawdown, or the market continues to take out the previous low for the year and drifts to even lower levels. As I said, global markets, the currency, and of course the LIC listing all will play their part in determining that.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.